Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. I've managed to find a Doordash promo code for 2025 that's going to save you a bunch of money and get you a bunch of free food. So I thought I'd create this tutorial and show you how to find this Doordash promo code that you can apply right now in the Doordash app, and it's going to supply you with a $100 balance. I spent hours searching and trying tons of different codes, and I managed to finally find one that's working and actually worth using. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. You need to use your mobile phone. It doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or an Android, just of course have an internet connection. I'm almost out of battery as well, but yeah, you need to go to this website, guys, www.robotcoupons.com. So robot coupons, ROBOTCOUPONS. So just type it like this, guys. Pause the video if you need to copy that, and then you reach this website. They have loads of different pages on here, guys. As you can see, they have probably 100 plus pages. So you need to go to the search bar here and search for Doordash, and you're going to see this page, the Doordash free credit and food coupons. Now there are two different coupons that you can choose from. You can get a Doordash account credit for $100. This is a promo code that you simply enter into the Doordash app or website, and you can also get your next 3 Doordash food orders for free. So you can see this is highly rated, and these coupons are limited in numbers, so you will need to basically unlock your promo code. So in this case, I've chose the $100 one. So all you need to do, guys, is tap on unlock code, and you're going to see a new screen. So let's just wait for that to load up. You can see it's counting up to 100. And then you're going to see this code unlock up, guys, and basically you just need to follow the instructions here and complete 2 tasks on this page. So you can see, guys, I've got a list of tasks here. They can be things like mobile games or surveys. So for example, this Travel Town one, it says download and complete level 9. So if you was to choose this task, you would basically click on the button and it would take you to the App Store where you would need to download the game and follow the instructions. So basically complete level 9. Alternatively, you can do surveys, where this one here says get $250 for Aldi shopping. It says answer the questions. So basically, guys, you would basically click on it like so, and then it would basically take you to this where you need to answer questions. So just basically, guys, complete any 2 tasks you see on this page. Do just make sure you follow the instructions and carefully complete them, because once you've done that, guys, you will basically be redirected to this page here, and your code will be fully revealed if you did follow the instructions. Obviously, I just wanted this video to be quick and I didn't want to waste the code, so basically I skipped that step. But yeah, complete that page, and your code will be revealed. And that is the best Doordash promo code in 2025. So just go to Robot Coupons, guys. Do just make sure you fully complete the unlocking step, and you shouldn't have any issues. So enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.